Hi friends, I'm Rajnikant. Welcome you to my YouTube channel Sumanth Digital English Tutorial Videos. Dear guys, today I have brought short answer type questions for the first lesson of short stories The Gold Watch. Two questions out of three are to be answered in board exam, and the length of the answer should not exceed 30 words. Let's begin with question 1. Where did Sanku work? This question was asked in 2012. Its answer: Shanku worked in a factory. Question 2. What were Shanku's problems and how did he plan to solve them? This question was asked in 2009, 12, 17 and 18. Its answer: there were mainly two problems before Shanku. First, to meet the expenses of his family in his small income, and second, to repay the loan which he owed to different people. Shanku had only one way to solve these problems: to pick up the gold watch from the office table of his officer and to get money by selling it. Question 3. What time of the day did Shanku think was the most suitable for stealing the gold watch and why? This question was asked in 2012. Its answer: Shanku thought that interval was the most suitable time for stealing the gold watch because at this time everyone went out for lunch. Question 4. What did Shanku's wife ask him to bring from the market? This question was asked in 2016. Its answer: Shanku's wife asked him to bring from the market ointment for the sores on her child's body and 2 bananas also. Question 5. What stopped Shanku from stealing the watch in the beginning? This question was asked in 2018. Its answer: Shanku was afraid of being caught. So, this thing stopped Shanku from stealing the watch. Question 6. How could he no longer postpone the act of stealing? Its answer: Shanku had many urgent needs. He needed money very soon, so he could no longer postpone the act of stealing. Question 7. What made Shanku decide that he had no other choice but to steal? This question was asked in 2009. Or, why did Shanku steal the watch? This question was asked in 2010, 15, 16 and 18. Answer to these questions: Shanku's urgent needs and presence of the people to pay loan made him decide that he had no other choice but to steal. Question 8. Describe how Shanku steals the gold watch, or at what time did Shanku decide to steal the watch and why? Its answer: one day Shanku saw that his engineer had gone to lunch and his watch was lying on his table. So he went into office, looked all around it and put the watch into his pocket with trembling hands. Question 9. Why did Sanku curse himself? This question was asked in 2011 and 18. Its answer. When Sanku knew that his wife was pregnant, he thought that it would be another burden on him, so he cursed himself. Question 10. What were Sanku's feelings before stealing the watch? Or why did Sanku hesitate and was afraid of stealing the watch in the beginning? This question was asked in 2014. Its answer. Sanku was much afraid before stealing the watch. He feared that someone might see him. He was nervous. His heart throbbed. Question 11. What thoughts troubled Sanku after committing the theft? This question was asked in 2015, 17 and 18. Or describe the behavior of Sanku after he had committed the theft. Or why did Sanku feel suffocated? This question was asked in 2017. Answer to these questions. After committing the theft, Sanku feared that somebody had seen him stealing the watch. He would be caught as a thief. He would be dismissed. These thoughts troubled Sanku very much. Question 12. Sanku was essentially an honest man. Do you agree with this statement? Give reasons in support of your answer. This question was asked in 2010 and 11. Its answer. I fully agree with the statement that Sanku was essentially an honest man. He stole the watch under the compulsion of his poverty, but he could not keep it with him and put back on the table of his officers. So it shows that he was honest. Question 13. What made Sanku put the watch back on the table? This question was asked in 2011. Its answer. Sanku put the watch back on the table because he was afraid of being caught and punished. It was all. Dear guys, hope you must have liked this video. Watch this video again and again from top to toe. Thanks for watching. Bye.